Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I am Ria, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a continuation of my last video in the Choosing Happiness series. And in my last video, I talked to you all about depression. I talked about my experience in my last video, and I'll do a quick recap just to go over what all I went, what all I talked to you about in my last video in this series. So in the last video, I talked to you about depression, how bad it can be, what the effects of depression can be. I talked about my own experience with depression, and we also went over two things that I started doing which pulled me out of depression. So the first thing is offering gratitude to the universe, to deities, to whoever, to whichever higher entity you believe in. And secondly, and yes, offering gratitude with as much conviction as you can. Secondly, is to feed your mind with good positive content, be it visual content or audio content. Feed your mind with more of those instead of watching extreme content on television, on TV, on screen, anywhere. So these are the two things that we covered. Before we start with the video, I have two requests of you. First, if you're liking my videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them to you. Please share your opinions with me, share your constructive feedback with me so I can get better at what I'm doing. And secondly, I am no medical professional, you guys. Whatever I am sharing with you in these videos are from my own personal experiences. If you are going through depression, then please consult a certified professional, a doctor, a psychotherapist, a certified professional, basically medical professional, who can help you in the right way. And without further ado, let's get started. Number 3 that I'm going to tell you about, and these are the things that I did on my own to come out of this dark place that I was in. Point that I want to talk to you about is next thing happened to me because I had been suffering from gastric problems for many years now. So I had the worst episode of my life when one day I was having trouble breathing. It was very, very scary that day. So I went to the doctor and I was reprimanded very badly for my bad lifestyle, my bad eating habits, and most importantly, my staying up till late at night was to blame for all of this. I had no choice but to make drastic changes to my routine. It wasn't entirely my fault for going to sleep around 2 or 3 o'clock in the night. My work timings require me to get off work beyond 12 o'clock. So invariably, I would be going to sleep quite late at night. However, after the life-threatening episode that I had to start waking up at 7 in the morning. Waking up early in the morning was initially just too difficult for me. I mean, I had stopped being a morning person for many years now. So making this change was a big leap for me. However, as I told you, I mean, I had no choice. I had to make this difference. So what started out with too much of reluctance from my end eventually became something that I looked forward to, because I started realizing the merits of waking up early in the morning. We have all grown up listening to this rhyme, right? Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Let me tell you, this age-old wisdom is so very true, and there is no one who can vouch for the truth and honesty of this rhyme than you yourself once you start seeing the merits of waking up early on your own. Once you realize the merits of waking up early on your own, there's no one who can convince you that this thing is very, very true unless you do it on your own and are convinced. A question may arise in you, and yes, I have to forego maybe an hour or two of sleep, of continued sleep. However, I make up for it after I complete all my chores for the day, and I'm left with enough time to pursue my interests. That's when I might take maybe an hour-long nap, and that's enough for me. In fact, the amount of sleep that I used to previously intake has reduced. Previously, I used to sleep for like 7 hours or so, but now 6 hours of sleep suffice, and I am in no dearth of energy throughout the day. which is unbelievable really, but it's true. And I'm in much better health than I have ever been in my life, you guys. Waking up early is extremely transformational in itself. Is that a word? Transformational? I don't know, but it's just it's a drastic step that you might have to take if you are not a morning person, as I said, like me. However, there are so many benefits you will realize on your own when you start waking up early, that you will definitely be looking forward to it and will not want to go back to your old routine. So start waking up early, guys. Your day starts with so much enthusiasm and energy and vitality that will just make your day. You will start your day with such a wonderful mood. You will have so much happiness inside of you and so much energy inside of you. You'd feel like taking on the world on your own. I mean, that might seem a little over the top, but you will see for yourself the amazing benefits that you get upon waking up early. I wish I could get up even earlier than that, maybe 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. But as I said, due to my work timings, I cannot afford to that early. But 7 o'clock in the morning is just fine for me right now. And I'm very, very happy with this change that I was forced to make, but I'm loving it totally. The next big change that I made in my life that pulled me out of depression was I started exercising more regularly. That is, I was exercising earlier as well. However, I was not very consistent with it. It's been a year or so that I have been more consistent with exercising. I exercise 5 days a week for 30 to 45 minutes. Sometimes I do yoga, sometimes it's just freehand exercises or something. So I don't really follow a routine as such when it comes to exercising, but whatever exercises I do it for 30 to 45 minutes. And this is something that you all can incorporate in your lives if you are not already doing it. Exercise for at least 4 to 5 days a week. This is something that your body needs, not just your physical body but mentally also. Exercising has so many benefits. It relieves you of pressure, it relieves you of depression, it lightens your mood, blood is pumped at a much faster rate all throughout your body. That cleanses your body of toxins. It has innumerable benefits. It helps you lose weight. It builds up your stamina. It keeps you fitter for longer. Start incorporating exercises in your daily life, and before long you will start to see the merits of it on your own. So start exercising daily, guys, if you want to transform your life. This is something that you cannot do without. Given the kind of lifestyle that we lead now, exercising is a necessity for us. So that's one thing that I wanted to talk to you about. So start exercising today itself. The next thing that I'm going to talk to you about is something that I used to do sporadically, and I was not very consistent, just the way I wasn't with exercising as well. But this is something that I picked up, and I was regular with it. I was disciplined about it. So I started meditating more regularly, and there are, as with exercising, there are so many benefits that I found of meditation. My life as it was before has changed completely for the better in every single way. Meditation calms your mind. It keeps depression at bay. It slows down the over pressurized and overthinking mind. It puts your mind into a calmer state. It puts your mind into a more peaceful state, and it helps you in getting through the different demands that our lives put on us. So it's as with exercising, meditation should also become an inseparable part of your life, because it is no longer a luxury for us. It is an absolute necessity. There are many videos on the internet. Start with something small. Start with breathing exercises. Start with pranayama. There are so many different techniques. You will find millions and millions of videos on YouTube. Use those. Start meditating. You can start with even 5 minutes a day, but be regular about it, and there should not be any gaps. Try not making any exceptions. I meditate every single day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and I try maintaining a certain time schedule. Like I do it at 2 in the afternoon. If I'm not able to make it at 2 in the afternoon, then I do it in the evening. But try keeping up with the time as well. At what time you do, be regular about the time as well. If you're not able to maintain that time, do it at any point of time throughout the rest of your day, but meditate every single day. As I told you, start with 5 minutes first. Once you are used to that amount of time, keep increasing it little by little. Start meditating, guys. This is something that had a big hand in pulling me out of depression, and I am 110% sure that it's going to help everyone else as well. So start meditating today. Your life will change for the better. So as I was telling you in my previous video, I think, but yes, so choosing happiness, or wanting to be happy, or choosing happy thoughts, happy feelings, this will only be consistent. You will only be able to consistently do this when your body and mind are aligned. You will not be able to sustain happy thoughts, good feelings, good emotions if your mind is in a chaotic state. If your body is not up to it, you will not be able to maintain this chain of good thoughts. You will not be able to. It's just not possible. So everything, your spiritual body, your physical body, your mind, everything have to be aligned in order for the universe to bring in the abundance of wealth and joy and prosperity that all of us deserve. And the sooner you realize it, the better. Don't become a slave to your emotions and life choices. Be consistent, be sincere with the smallest of changes that you make in your life in order to transform your life, and the sincerity that you show is repaid back tenfold by the universe. I have experienced it firsthand. I have experienced it myself, which is why I am so convinced about the universe trying to reach out to us, to help us, to improve us, to make us be our best in the lives that we are leading right now. So it is very important for you to understand that you are the one who can transform your life. No one else can do it for you. You have to do it yourself. You have to make the changes, and there's always help out there. Your family is there. Reach out to them if you need any help. If you have friends, go talk to them. You can come to me. You can ask me any questions you have. I can also help you out. There are toll-free numbers that are there to help people when in depression. I'll try linking a couple of them in the description box below. So there's a lot of help out there, guys, but you have to put the effort yourself. You have to make the changes. That's when your life will transform. And as I said, gratitude is very, very powerful. Do it with all honesty and sincerity that you can muster. I have a few YouTube shorts on my channel. You can use those to do daily affirmations. They are also a very, very powerful tool for transforming your life. Do it in the morning upon waking up, before you go to sleep. And I also have another video on my channel on general well-being and affirmations, so you can use that as well. So this is all that I wanted to talk to you about. Start being sincere in your efforts, guys. Be kind to everyone. Be sincere in your efforts. Be honest to yourself, which is very, very important. If you are cheating or something, like, regarding whatever changes you make, if you are cheating on those, you are only cheating yourself. There's no one else that is yes, your family, if you are in a bad state, your family, your friends, they also suffer along with you, but you are the person who is, is affected the most when you are not at your best and when you're going through hard times. So may start making small changes in your life, and before long you will see what a beauty your life is, what a transformation you have been able to bring in it by yourself, by your own efforts, and you will be so very proud of yourself. You will be so very proud of yourself. This is the only life we have, right? We don't know in which form we will be born into in our next lives. So make the most of this. Try living it to the fullest. Do the best you can so that you don't have any regrets. And the universe is always out there to help us, and it's always reaching out to us. It's we who don't, it's us who are not open enough to receive the universe's blessings. So don't keep that path closed. Start making the smallest changes you can in your life, and I am very sure all of you will be able to turn your life into the dreams that you have always imagined them to be. So on that happy note, I will take your leave till I meet you again. Do let me know in the comments what you think of these two videos. If you want me to make more such videos on my experiences, how I've been able to transform my life the way I wanted it to, you can ask me that in the comments, or you can send me mails as well. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, for more such content. I also make videos on Korean entertainment and makeup and skincare and all that. So I'm into those things as well a lot. So anyways, so I love talking about those things actually. So anyways, so that's all from me today. Stay happy, stay healthy, and as I always say, saranghae. I love you all.